Hey everybody, just got done doing the caulk in Wyatts Nursery, and then we're gonna prime and paint after we put the tape up and cover everything. Let me give you a quick look at that. All my miters caulked and wood filled and all that good stuff. I'm probably gonna have to add some caulk after I prime. I would just assume so. I probably missed something or not going to be happy with the way something looks. But just to give you a quick look at how it's coming along. I used Alex Latex Caulk. It's a water-based paintable, and I don't know, I think it's coming along pretty good. I forgot the sand in here in the closet. I still gotta do that. And so what we're gonna do is we're going to do all the wainscoting. We're gonna do that just white, and all of the trim white. I still gotta replace this jalopy door, and there's some work I gotta do on the other side, but I'm not worried about that right now. I just want to get his room done. But we're gonna do the trim white, the wainscoting white, and then we're gonna do the walls and the ceiling a light gray that we found. It's Bear Marquee Silverstone is the color. It's supposed to be, the Marquee is supposed to be like Bear's best paint, one coat coverage guarantee. We'll see how that goes. You can see like some of the trim has spots on it, and well, I did use some scrap stuff that we had to kind of save some money. And this, I don't know what, I honestly don't even know if this is like supposed to be on ceilings, but it was already there and it doesn't look horrible. I did not caulk that yet, and I wanted to, and I forgot, so I'll probably do that after I prime because I don't want to do it right now. But there you go. That's in a nutshell, that's Wyatts' room coming along.